Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be discussing some interview questions that were recently asked in its Accenture interview, and this question said by one of my colleagues. So first let's start. First question is related to row level security. So what is row level securities? So row level security is used to restrict data for user based on their role. In simple words, different users see different data in the same report. Row level security is created in Power BI desktop using DEX and managed in Power BI service. So you can reply like that. With example, you can add if a company has a region like east, west, north, then east manager see only east data, west manager see only west data. So this is widely used in enterprise project to ensure data security and confidentiality. So you can reply like that. Second question is roles in Power BI services. So Power BI service provide different workspace roles to manage access. Those roles define who can view, edit, manage report and datasets. So generally we have a four types of role in Power BI service: admin, member, contributor and viewer. So admin has a full access. He can use, create a workspace. He has a user role, settings, permission, all those things admin can do. Members can edit and publish report. Contributor can create and edit content, or viewer only read that report. For example, if we create a report for mobile view, so that is viewer for viewer role. Developers always be for developers it's member role. Business users are viewer and project leads are admin. So these types of roles are divided in Power BI services. So you can say an example with example. Next is Power BI gateway. So, okay, just a second. Okay, so Power BI gateway is required when our data source is on premises. It creates a secure connection between on premises data and Power BI service. Gateway is mainly used for schedule refresh and live connection. You can say Power BI gateway is required when data source is on premises, such as SQL Server, Oracle, file server. So you can say like that. For example, if sales data is stored in on-premises SQL Server, Gateway allow Power BI service to refresh data automatically without exposing the database to the internet. So this is Gateway work. Or you also add your real project scenario, your dummy project scenario here if you worked on. Next is Pro and Premium. So this is the license type in Power BI. So you can say Power BI Pro is per user license and is required for sharing report. Power BI Premium is capacity based and support large data set and better performance. With Premium, even free user can view report. Okay. So for example, if 20 developers create a report and 500 users only view them, so Pro for developers and Premium for organization. Got it? So enterprise prefer premium due to the scalability and performance. Next question is sum and SUMX. This is a DEX function in Power BI, so generally being asked in interview. So sum is a simple aggregation function. SUMX is a iterator function that evaluate expression row by row. SUMX mainly used when calculations are required. Okay, so I also create example. This is the sum dex function where I will wanted to create a measure only. So sum sales amount with quantity, and sum x here I am creating row by row, means I am taking one calculation from quantity and one is from unit price. So this is calculated two different columns. Okay, so this is the sum x. Next is calculated column and measure. This is the last question. So you can say calculated columns are calculated during data refresh and store in memory. Measures are calculated at runtime and are dynamic. Dynamic measures are performed for performance and aggregation. you also can add some examples, or also you can say calculated columns are stored in memory, increase model size, use for row level logic, and measures are good for better performance. This is dynamic based on filters, calculated at runtime, perform for aggregation. Okay, so this is all about for today, that questions I have to cover. Please let me know and please comment, so I will try to create a according to your suggestions what kind of questions you wanted to me cover in the video. Thank you so much.